Hello, I'm Design Guy. I'll walk you through creating an eye-catching promo poster step by step. Click the Create button first, then type Poster into the search bar. For this demonstration, we'll select Landscape Orientation as the layout for our document. Open the template, locate the search bar, and type Brand to find relevant options. Here, you can view a variety of promotion designs available in the library. Browse through the different options to find a template that fits your needs. Once you've found your preferred design, simply click to select it and continue to the customization step. Select a template from the available designs. Click on the one you want to use. Once it loads, you'll see a variety of elements appear on the screen. These elements can be customized to fit your needs, allowing you to create your own design. In this promotion design, go to the Elements tab. Scroll to view the recommended photos section. Browse through the available images and choose the one that fits your design needs best. To update this element, first leave all current settings as they are. You can start fresh by clearing the components within this section. Next, drag the basic bread element into the layout. This will give the section a completely new appearance that's ready for customization. With the new bread element in place, you can gradually add additional bread types as needed. Simply drag each specific bread type into the area one by one. This approach allows you to design the section step by step, ensuring that every bread type is included and that the section looks exactly how you want it to. Click the Position button to access more options. Locate the lock icon next to the property you want to adjust. Uncheck or deselect this lock option to unlock the property. Once unlocked, you can now move or modify this element freely. Remember to re-enable the lock if you want to prevent further changes to its position later. Select the element you want to move by clicking on it. Once it's selected, drag it to your desired position. Let's move it to the side. Notice that these three elements here are locked. Locked elements cannot be moved or repositioned until they are unlocked. If you need to adjust them, you'll first have to unlock each one before making changes to their placement. These fields are locked, so users won't be able to edit this text. To demonstrate further, let's select a few more elements on the page. Click and drag your cursor to highlight the items you want to include. Notice that the lock icon appears next to each selected element. This indicates that the content is protected from changes. If you need to unlock an element, simply right-click it and choose Unlock from the menu. Locked fields are useful for preserving important information while allowing edits elsewhere. Next, click the Share button at the top of the screen. From the available options, choose Download. In the Download settings, select Video as the file type to ensure your project is saved in the correct format. Confirm your selection by clicking the Download button. The video will begin processing, and once it's ready, it will automatically save to your device. Now you have your finished video file ready to use or share. Select your files for batch printing, then click Download to save them all together. Ready to create eye-catching promotion posters in Canva? Hit like and subscribe for more awesome design tips.